This is an industrial manufacturing company with hundreds of diverse facilities. And this is Michael, head of real estate operations. His goal is to reduce spend, improve sustainability, and keep employees and suppliers healthy, comfortable, and productive around the globe. But because each facility operates using different systems that don't connect, it's difficult to manage, track, and control on-site operations at the portfolio level. That means he needs a team for every building and plant, increasing costs and hindering access to informed insights over performance and spend. To succeed, Michael needs an extensible operating model with remote visibility and control so he can supervise and improve operations at scale. The key is enterprise performance management with Honeywell Forge, a software-as-a-service approach to enterprise operations for the modern industrial portfolio manager. Honeywell Forge unlocks the value in each building by connecting data from disparate systems and driving control from the cloud, so Michael can centralize operations, streamline decision-making, and optimize critical processes all on an extensible platform, purpose-built for industrial and manufacturing portfolios. With his fleet on Honeywell Forge, he can digitize manual maintenance processes, harness AI to optimize sustainability, and compare performance between his many facilities to focus attention and investments where they're needed most. Whether he's improving worker experience and productivity or strengthening his healthy building strategy, Michael can work from anywhere, on any device, on the go. And no matter what tomorrow brings, Honeywell Forge is flexible, with the extensibility to scale new applications seamlessly across a diverse portfolio. This is digital transformation at industrial scale. It's time to elevate your real estate operations and drive performance, sustainability, and safety, from the production line to the boardroom. Contact a Honeywell advisor today.